Hello, welcome to the dialysis discovery. So we are starting something new and we are starting with the dialysis lecture sessions. So first lecture is RO plant in dialysis. So basically what is RO? RO is the reverse osmosis which uses semi-permeable membrane to remove large particles, ions, molecules from the raw water. So there are two surface sources of water. One is the surface and second is the groundwater. Okay. So the water from the either from the surface or from the ground comes to the raw water tank. Okay. Then there is a temperature blending valve which maintains the temperature of the water to the 77 degree Fahrenheit. Then there is a backflow preventer which prevents the backflow of the water. Then there is a booster pump which boosts up or speeds up the speed of the water. Then there is a chemical feed pump which maintains the pH of the RO water, that is 6.8 to 7.8. Then there is a multimedia filter which consists of different layers of the sand and it removes the sand particles, muddy particles from the raw water. After that there is a carbon filter. What is the work of the carbon filter? It removes chlorine and chloramine. Okay. Then what is EBCT? You must have heard EBCT time. Anyone is having idea about the EBCT? EBCT is the empty bed contact time. Like for how much time water comes in contact with the activated charcoal. That is the EBCT. It should be 10 minutes. Okay. Then after that there is a softener which is connected to the brine tank. And there is a procedure of ion exchange. We put the salt in the brine tank and salt is nothing but what? NaCl. And there is a calcium and magnesium removal from the softener by the procedure of ion exchange. Then there is a 5 micron cartridge filter. Sometimes we also call it as jumbo filter. It removes the debris from the liquid. Okay. Then there is a HPP, that is high pressure pump. Okay. To speed up the water flow. Then there is a RO membrane. It is a thin semi-permeable membrane which consists of minute pores which removes the smaller particles or minute particles from the water. Then after that there are two sources. See, RO permeate water and RO reject water. RO permeate water goes to the RO water tank and RO reject water goes to the drainage. After RO water tank there is a distribution pump, or we can also call it as circulation pump, to distribute the water to the dialysis unit. Then after that there is a UV lamp. So UV lamp consists of the UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays, which kills the bacteria. After that there is an endotoxin filter. Endotoxin is nothing but the dead bacteria. So what is the work of the endotoxin filter? To remove the endotoxins. After that water gets supplied to the dialysis department. See, it goes to the dialysis machines, reprocessing area, then A part, B part preparation area. And what is this line? This is a product water return loop, because this water is good. Then in some centers it returns to the RO water tank. And now we will see the AMI guidelines of the RO water. So endotoxin level and bacterial level. So what is the maximum allowable level of endotoxin? That is less than 0.25 EU per ml. And what is the action level? That is less than 0.125 EU per ml. For bacterial or CFU level, it should be less than 100 CFU per ml, that is maximum allowable level, and less than 50 CFU per ml, that is the action level. So this is all about the RO plant, and one by one we will cover all the topics. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.